So only in 3 steps you are going to learn that how you can delete someone else's WhatsApp account, or even it can be your own WhatsApp which may be hacked or being illegally used by someone else. So each and every step is mandatory. Let's first of all move towards the first step, which is you have to open up your App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open up your Play Store if you are on Android. Keep in mind that this is the very first and mandatory step. If you don't do this may not gonna work. So after opening the App Store, you have to go to the search button and write here WhatsApp and hit the search button. And after that, when this WhatsApp app appears up, you have to tap on it, and you have to first of all update your WhatsApp application by tapping on this little update button right here. And as soon as you update your WhatsApp, you are done with the very first step. Now moving towards the second step, you have to open up your WhatsApp after updating it, and after that you have to open the conversation of the person that you want to delete. So for example, this is the one, and after that tap on his phone number or his name if you have saved it. And after that you have to scroll down to the end, and here at the end of this list you get an option report. So tap on report, and when this pop-up appears up, you have to go into the second option in this list, which is report. And here you can see the pop-up, thank you for reporting. Now what happened is the last 5 messages that the person has sent you will be sent to the WhatsApp support, and if the person has done something illegal, then his WhatsApp account will be deleted in the very first go. But if you didn't have any conversation with the contact, or he did not send you any message, then let's move towards the third step for deleting his WhatsApp account. The first step was to update the WhatsApp application. The second step was to report him. Let me tell you that you have to repeat the second step from as many numbers as you have. For example, if you have WhatsApp of your brother or sister or any of your friend, you have to report the same number from their WhatsApp accounts as well. So after repeating this second step as many times as you can, let's move towards the third step, which is you have to go back, and after opening the WhatsApp, you have to go to this settings tab available in the bottom right corner of the screen, and if you are on Android, it may be at the top right corner of the screen. And after going into settings, you have to scroll down, and here you get an option help. So tap on help, and when this screen appears up, from here you have to select help center. You will be appeared up with different options in this list. From here you have to scroll down to the end, and by the end of this page you will see an option contact us. So tap on it, and here the conversation of WhatsApp support will be opened. Here you have to explain the issue. For example, the contact that you are trying to delete has done something illegal, or he is harassing you, or you can write any of the case like I'm writing here. And after that, just send this message, and WhatsApp support will help you delete the WhatsApp account of the person that you are trying to delete. This process may take up to 24 to 48 hours. So be patient, just send this message. And now let me know in the comments that which was the step which helped you delete that account, and what is the reason that you are watching this video, and I'll be waiting for you in the next video. Thank you so much.